So in this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can add tokens into your Phantom wallet. So adding token directly is not possible. So what you need to do is to simply open up your Solana and copy your Solana address by simply clicking on this receive button and then simply copy your address. Once you do so, you're just gonna need to open up any third-party exchange. You can go with MetaMask, or if you want to go with Trust Wallet, you can simply search for and make sure to log in with your account and enter your passcode. Now once you are in, simply click on the send button and you're just gonna need to search for the meme coin that you want to send. Once you search for it, you're just gonna need to make sure to select the network, which is going to be Solana. So let's say I want to send bomb coin into my Solana, so you're just gonna need to click on the send button and simply paste your address. And once you do so, you're just gonna need to enter the amount and make sure to first of all test it, because without testing you cannot send a large amount. Make sure to test about $1 or $2. First of all, send about $1 or $2 worth of coin into your Solana. Once you send this, if you receive the coin into your Phantom wallet, then you can simply proceed further. Otherwise, I don't recommend you to send a large amount on your first transaction. The way is, you just need to make sure to copy your Solana address and simply make sure to select the Solana network from the third party exchange sender. Once you do so, you need to first make sure to send $1 or $2 worth of coin, as I said earlier. And once you receive it in your wallet, you then need to proceed to the larger amount. So hope this helps. This is how you can add token to Phantom wallet.